SARL is an AI-powered platform, a government initiative developed under support of the ANRF, Anusandhan National Research Foundation, with the primary goal of democratizing research. Research papers with valuable insights are converted into simplified forms by converting them into engaging formats such as videos, presentations, and podcasts to reach more people, thereby creating a bridge between the scientific community and the public. Moreover, additionally, these contents can be converted into various Indian languages, thereby aiding meaningful knowledge dissemination, fostering further research, and creating public awareness. Our prestigious institution, SRM Institute of Science and Technology, has several impactful research publications and patents which have been converted through the SARL AI platform. Especially recently, some of the top papers have been selected and published, and they will be shared.
Welcome to this presentation on S-aureus exposure during cutaneous antigen sensitization causes basophil and INTERLEUKIN for DPE-NTNT exaggerated food anaphylaxis. This research was conducted by Mrinmay Das et al. And published in 11th November 2025. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Food allergy affects a significant portion of the population with a potentially fatal outcome of anaphylaxis. While immunoglobulin E open parenthesis, IgE close parenthesis antibodies are central to its pathogenesis, other factors such as intestinal mast cell numbers, INTERLEUKIN, 4 open parenthesis IL, 4 close parenthesis, and intestinal permeability also influence disease severity. Increased intestinal permeability leads to enhanced antigen absorption, systemic mast cell activation, and exacerbated anaphylaxis. In AD patients, S-aureus skin colonization significantly correlated with food allergy. Patients with both conditions exhibited significantly higher serum IL-4 concentrations compared to those with S-aureus colonization but no food allergy. In the mouse model, epicutaneous sensitization with OVA in the presence of S-aureus or SEB led to exaggerated oral anaphylaxis and elevated serum IL-4 concentrations but not IL-13. This study elucidates a novel mechanism by which S-aureus skin colonization exacerbates food allergy in the context of atopic dermatitis. The findings demonstrate that S-aureus, particularly through its superantigen SEB, triggers a cascade of events initiated by keratinocyte activation. This activation leads to IL-33 production, which in turn promotes IL-3 secretion by T cells, driving basophil influx into skin-draining lymph nodes. Cutaneous exposure to S-aureus, particularly superantigen-producing strains like SEB, during antigen sensitization leads to a basophil and IL-4, DPE-NTNT exaggeration of food anaphylaxis. This process involves a complex pathway initiated by keratinocyte CD4, 0 signaling, leading to IL-33 release, followed by T-cell-derived IL-3 production, basophil recruitment to draining lymph nodes, and IL-4 production by basophils.